Tell me when you're ready.
I am so ready.
Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm here with my grandma.
Hi.
In today's video, I thought it would be a good idea to have my grandma come with me to Starbucks, and we are going to go taste Starbucks secret menu kind of St. Patrick's Day drinks. I found them online, and some of them are like basic drinks, some of them are ones that you actually have to customize that I found online. So we are going to drive there now and try their drinks. Because of everything going on in the world, I am gonna order 2 of each drink, so we are not going to be sharing just because of the obvious. So just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. With all that being said, if you like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content from me, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite drink is, and I will answer because I love interacting with all of you. And when you interact with my videos, it really does help me and my channel grow. With all that being said, let's get into the video. Anything you want to say?
Happy St. Patrick's Day. We're gonna enjoy this.
What do people usually do on St. Patrick's Day?
They parade in New York City, but they don't do it this season.
Yeah, don't do that this year.
They do the Irish jig.
My friend could do that really well.
I want to see it.
He was a professional Irish jig dancer.
Oh.
He works with us.
Well, I gotta see it.
We are waiting on the Starbucks line right now. It's very long, so I will come back on whenever we get our drinks. Hi, I have a couple drinks that I have to order. Could I have 2 vanilla bean frappuccinos in the tall size with 1.5 pumps of peppermint syrup, a 1/2 pump of classic syrup, 2 tall green tea frappuccinos, just with 1 pump of peppermint and Java chips? Alright guys, we just got all of our drinks. I will tell you exactly how I ordered them when we get to it, but we ordered 4 different drinks. Don't worry, we're not wasting any of these. We are going to bring them home and leave them in the fridge and drink them as the days go on. Alright, so the first one we are trying is a Grande Ice Green Latte. It looks like this, and it looks really good. I think it's just green tea. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, okay. Mmm. Delicious.
What would you rate it?
Oh, about a 5. What is it again?
It's a green tea latte.
Iced. So there's a lot of milk in it.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this just because I don't like when you can actually taste the green tea flavor. It's weird to say that though because I love green tea, but I don't like when you can taste the actual flavor. I feel like when I have hot green tea, I can't really taste the flavor. It's more like water, and it's just like something that I know is good for my body. But for this, I don't know, I don't really like it. I would rate it like a 1.
Oh, 1. See, I went to 5. Okay.
Yeah, not a fan, but it's not the worst if you're someone who likes lattes or green tea like flavoring. The next one we are going to drink is this one right here. It is a tall vanilla bean frappuccino. It has 1.5 pumps of peppermint syrup, 0.5 pump of classic syrup, and 2 scoops of matcha powder. So this is what it looks like. This is the Shamrock Shake off of the secret menu at Starbucks, and it just has whipped cream on top as well. I'm so excited to try this one because everyone always talks about McDonald's Shamrock Shake, and I don't know if this is going to compare to it, but I'm sure it's going to be good. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. Oh, this is a 10.
This is so good.
Oh, this is it. What? Shamrock?
This is so good. Literally a 10. So good. I've never had the one from McDonald's, but if it tastes anything like this, and I'm sure it does, so good. There's like a hint of peppermint because obviously there's the 1.5 pumps of peppermint syrup, but there's also a hint of like chocolate. I don't know, it just tastes really good.
Yeah, it is. It's good.
And I like how it's like cold because even though it's winter, it's still like refreshing and not too cold. That's always a good thing too.
But you get brain freeze. I have brain freeze.
From the drink?
From the drink.
Okay, you want to try this one next then?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you got the other one, right?
Yeah. So this one is a tall matcha lemonade. I wanted to get either the cool lime refresher or the green drink. They didn't have that, so we got this one instead. It looks like this. It's all green, obviously, for St. Patrick's Day. I guess it's just supposed to be lemonade?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. You know, do you not like it?
It is so tart.
It's alright. It's not the best. It is really sweet. It's really sweet and it is tart. I would rate it like 6 out of 10. What would you rate it?
Mine is 0.
She has like watery eyes right now because of how tart it is.
It is, it's tart.
So we have one more drink. This is a tall green tea frappuccino with peppermint syrup and add Java chips. It looks like this. It is called the Leprechaun Frappuccino and I am really excited to try this because everyone keeps saying, oh my gosh, it's so good. Or all the videos I watched last year said that, so.
Starbucks is the best. Okay. Oh, this is good.
It's good. It has those like Java chips in it. I'm someone who doesn't like smoothies because of the consistency, but this is something that I can actually drink. So I would rate this like a 9 out of 10. It's pretty good and it tastes again like that peppermint but also like chocolate flavoring. And I do really like the Java chips as well. What would you rate it?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Would you get any of these again?
Well, this one.
So she would get this one, the green tea frappuccino.
And what is this one?
That is a Shamrock Shake.
These two I like.
The frappuccinos are definitely the best.
Yeah.
I feel like the colder drinks, like the lattes and the matcha lemonade. Matcha lemonade I could get again, but I don't think I would ever ask for it. Like if someone gave it to me or I needed a drink or something, I can drink it. But the green tea latte I would never get again. I really don't like it at all. But with all that being said, that's about it for this video. If you guys like it, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. Anything you want to say?
Starbucks is great.
Starbucks is great, and that's about it.
This is a treat.
Thank you guys again for watching. If you've ever tried these before, let me know down below in the comments, and also comment down below your favorite Starbucks drink because I'm interested. But with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video sometime soon. Bye guys. One with the straw, try that one.